How to enable SSL or HTTPS in your Lovable project. So, first things first, you can head over to their website, which is lovable.dev. If you're looking to enable SSL or HTTPS in this, the good news is you don't need to worry about it manually because Lovable already handles it automatically once you connect a custom domain to your application. So for example, right here, I have in here this particular project, which is this web weave creation. You click on the three dots for that, then click on the settings under it. Now you just need to connect a custom domain and they will actually already add the SSL or HTTPS from there. You can see the project settings for that. Just head over to the domains option. And then in here, you can see the connected domains right now is from Lovable. So it already has this SSL and HTTPS, but you want to actually connect a domain that's your own. So you can just connect a new domain or buy a domain. You can click on this buy domain option. And then don't worry because you just need to actually upgrade to the pro plan or business plan. So upgrade from there and you can actually allow this custom domain option. So custom domain already have those HTTPS without you needing to install and manage certificates yourself right there. Once the domain is connected and validated, Lovable provisions SSL and your site becomes accessible over HTTPS. So no need to worry about that. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.